decided to invite the Argentine Republic, the Arab Republic of Egypt. Do so because
Baholi bemave BRICS bangete bulunga baleni nhlangano kufaka ekhathi amavela nothile ngawoyela njenge Saudi Arabia, Iran, United Arab Emirates lekusinyathelo sekuzana ngo nemave G7.
Firstly, as the state, we indicated to the court that we have disclosed the contents of the docket and we're ready to set a trial date.
Molimo Chipchup Marukhanya lubukele namacala leshumi nakuthathu ucele nkantolo ukuthi iqhubele embili kuhlala kwayo.
One component, like I said, would be traditional courses, and then the other one would be the Safat Laibaka Academy.
Umtimba longamlethwa ibhola kuleli South African Football Association seyisungula isikole sokuqeqesha labo abashisakalo iqeqesha abadlali belibhola velonke. Ngoba kuhle hlangana inzabeni teswati la kwe-ABC ake sibuke lethamba embili lomuhla. Baholi bemave BRICS bangete bulunga baleni nhlangano kufaka ekhathi amavela nothile ngawoyela njenge Saudi Arabia, Iran, United Arab Emirates lekusinyathelo sekuzana ngo nemave G7. Labanye amave afaka ekhathi Ethiopia, Argentina ne-Egypt. Bengabalisi Ramaphosa uncome indlela abaholi bemave BRICS ababonisene ngayo ukuthi inqumo lethethwa kanye nokwengedwa kwebulunga baleni nhlangano.
Emavela ngaphasi kwe-BRICS nalafuna kuba ingcenye yayo ahlangene eSandton eJozi kuthi ngethatha indzaba letiphatselene nenguquko kumnotfo wemhlaba wonke. Emavela amasha ku-BRICS lafaka ekhathi le-Iran, Saudi Arabia ne-UAE anothile kuwile kanti atawusita kuthuthukisa umnotfo emavela ngaphasi kwe-BRICS. Lamava afuna kuletha inguquko nekulwisana nemandla emali emavela asentshonalanga lekuthiwa asetshentiselwa kulatimbiti yepolitiki.
We have decided to invite the Argentine Republic, the Arab Republic of Egypt, the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, the Islamic Republic of Iran, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates to become full members of BRICS.
Lohlelo lwemali oluhlongotako letawuletsa tinguquko tindvuna tetimali letingaphasi kwe-BRICS ne-New Development Bank titakuta nendlela yokuthi lamava atsengiselane ngetimali tawo alahla lidola lasemelika njengemali yemhlaba wonke yekutsengiselana.
As BRICS, we are ready to explore opportunities for improving the stability, reliability, and fairness of the global financial architecture.
Mengameli wakuleli Ramaphosa ushayelwa ihlombe ngemsebenzi wakhe lawendile nakuxoxisana bomengameli bemavela ngaphasi kwe-BRICS. Mengameli weRussia Vladimir Putin uthi Ramaphosa lothi kube nekubonisana kuthi ngwaphi amavela okufanele avunyelwe ukuthi abe ingcenye ye-BRICS kulandzela ukuthi kube nekungaboni ngasolinye ngesicelo se-Iran.
I appreciate their efforts and I would like to note, as it turned out, this was a challenging work and President Ramaphosa showed unique diplomatic mastery as we negotiated all the positions, including when it comes to BRICS expansion.
Emavela seningizimu yemhlaba afuna ukuthi kube nekuthuthukiswa kwawo lokuyinvulo esekelwe eBrazil neningizimu Afrika. Bomengameli balamavela ngetulu kwemashumi lasihlanu bahlangene kuleli ngenhloso yokuchamuka netinguquko kutepolitiki lokuyinvo letavenda ukuthi bacelelane nelisito lwemava asentshonalanga.
Phakeme ePitoli ive ukuthi lesibhamu lekusasathathwa kumsolo wesithathu eceleni lokubulawa kwaSenzomiyiwa Mthobisi Mncube bekufanele ukuthi ngabe isafahlatwa kwaphela ngaso. Kapteni Bongosi Mjali lubakatha asebenzele lapho ogcina khona ubufakazi amaphoyisa ethule ubufakazi bokuthi umyalo ukuthi lesibhamu usinike lamaphoyisa embusweni waphuma nga-2017 kepha lelo hlelo labambeleleka. Mncube nalabanye labane bahamba licala lekubulawa kwaMeyiwa nga-2014.
Ekuveleni kwemaqiniso labe kangakalindeleki kuthiwa lesibhamu lesatfolakala kumsolo wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube bekumele silahlwe. Kepha-ke Colonel Bonginkosi Mtshali uthi lokho akwendekanga ngoba lolu hlelo lwathatha iminyaka lemithathu.
Long nje ucolumn 6 engakabhalwa next open like this one, so kusho ukuthi lokho leyo exhibit ikhona is a storeroom ayikanyakazi ukuthi ayikho kulesami storeroom la ngibuya khona kwesami station mhlambe isathathiwe ise Cape Town bayibhukile abantu base Cape Town la kumina isazohlala iopen kanje up until bangitshele laba base Cape Town ukuthi ibuyile what instruction ukuthi manje kufuneka wenzeni ngayo.
Kanti-ke ingcenye yalokubambeleleka kwabangelwa kweswelakala kwe-serial number lebeyikanye nalesibhamu. Leso sibhamu sabuyiselwa kuyohlolelwa iminwe nga-2020 kuvelile-ke nekuthi kunaletinye tindvo letatfolakala kumncube.
Futhi eyafakwa khona la ku-together kunalento le 3.2 kwakuyi-28 times live rounds then u-3.3 futhi kwamentionwa ukuthi kwaba khona ne-empty magazine eyayikhona lapho eyayihamba nazo. Why empty? Ngoba uma umthola umuntu nesibhamu uyazihlukanisa inhlamvu uyazikhipha kumagazine.
Mtshali utawuphinzelidwa ngemibuto kusasa lelinye liphoyisa lelethula bufakazi Thabo Mosia litawuphinzela imise etimbi lapha enkantolo lethule bufakazi lokhu kulandzela ukuthi bathi bameli bemangalelwa bathi kuphambene la kusho enkantolo nalokusebhukwini lakhe lelikhulu lapho kubhalwa khona lokwendeka endzaweni yesigameko. Mosia wathi ubiyele endzaweni yesigameko ngensimbi yesithupha ekuseni libhuku lithi wabiyela nga-25 minutes past 10.
Molimo Chipchup warhwala lobukene namacala lalishumi nakuthathu lafaka ekhansi ekudlangula kuhlubetha kwamaqanga sikushaya ngenhloso kulimata nalamanye kuthumba ucela enkantolo ngekusebenzisa abameli bakhe ukuthi loldzaba hlehliselwe kumthatha isiphohloko enyangeni yelweti. Lokhu kwendela ukuthi abuyisise le docket liqukethela amacala kude akhona ekuhlela ukuthi ulisebenza njani loldzaba.
Chipchup uvelile namhla enkantolo yamanje eJozi kanzi bekugcwele bathwebuli netinzathele lapho ticaletalela khona ukuthi ingabe tivumelekile na ukuthi tivetele sive kuchubeka kwaleli cala. Ngemva kwekhulumisana betinzaba bavunyelwe kusakata leli cala njengoba Chipchup angusosati wako lowatayele futhi nemakhamera. Umbuso kubeka baleni ukuthi wona ukulungele kucala leli cala kepha abameli baChipchup bafuna isikhathi batobwa kabani leli dokethe batotfola umhlahlandle la.
Firstly, as the state, we indicated to the court that we have disclosed the contents of the docket and we're ready to set a trial date. And the defense was given an opportunity to respond. On their response, they indicated that they are yet to study the contents of the docket and determine the way forward in this case. So they will, after studying the contents of the docket, decide whether or not they want to go to trial or they first want to exhaust the recourse mechanisms available to them, one of them being lodging representations.
Luphiko lobashushisi luthi lwethemba ukuthi leli cala bukene nalo Chipchup liyaphatheka.
Indoda eneminyaka lengamashumi lamathathu nesiphohlongo ledubulebe lamaphoyisa lababili bekaza sem-17 eKimberley Cape isekele isicelo sayo sebhayili. Lo msolwa kuthiwa ubulele amaphoyisa emva kokuthi atholakala nemoto yekwetshiwa. Daniel Alberts bekavele enkantolo manje eKimberley.
Emaphoyisa bephume ngebunyendi kuyotevela enkantolo uma vela kwecala Daniel Alberts. Ubukene nemacala ekubulala, kweba nekuphanga. Kanzi ke utshele inkantolo ukuthi usigulane sesibhedlela salabagula ngengqondo.
The accused will be sent for an evaluation, then we'll take it from there. But as it stands, he's facing very serious charges of 2 counts of murder as well as robbery with aggravating circumstances. Those are quite serious.
Kuthiwa Alberts wetama nekubaleka emva kwekufa kwalamaphoyisa. Emaphoyisa emango enyakatho Kapa afuna bulungiswa.
As a community, we are saying that the police must be able to strengthen issues around technicality of members when they are attending to such incidents.
Lo msolwa lethiwa ubulele uthi sewushaywe ngemaphoyisa umtimba ubhlungu kanti ke umbuso uyakuphika lokho. Lo msolwa loneminyaka lengemashumi lamathathu nesiphohlongo ubuyele enkantolo ngenyanga yemphala kulomnyaka losedulo.
Ikomishana yamalunga loluntu eMpumalanga ifuna lithola imfundo lesifundza ukuthi livelele lihlelo lolicacile ekusebenzeni udzaba letikole letinetakhiwo leticekeleke phansi. Ilokuthi emva ukuthi noma lokuthi emva isikhathi lesinyanga abatali bavale isikolo imagubha combined tricopis enkomaze ukuthi bathi sinebungoti. Le komishana isolele litiko nabatali ngekunyathela emalungelo ebafundzi.
Kuyachubeka nekuthikameteka kufundza nekufundisa kulesikolo njengoba batali sebeyekise bantfu babo kuya esikolweni. Bakhala ngekugcwala ngalokwecile, takhiwo ncandi letigugile, baphindze bafune emagumbi ekufundzela labo mahamba nendlwane labalishumi nemfica. Tiko letemfundvo esifundzeni livele lamikisa labane nje kuphela.
Lento ikuthi abatali bavala isikolo ngokuthi bathi isimo le abantwana bangena isikolo kuso ayisiphathi kahle njengeli-office lamalungelo oluntu.
Batali abawafuni lamagumbi ngobe akekho esimeni lesifanele kanti abuya kulesinye sikolo bafuna lamanye.
Ama-mobile classes akapheleli sifuna abe 19 lama class hayi 4 basinike yona lo uyashoda sisafuna lamanye more sidinga 19 because bantwana baningi there are more than 700 and something.
Likhomishana lemalungelo elunfu selibhalele litiko ukuthi lilungise lesimo.
Siceda ukubhalela umnyango wetemfundo la eMpumalanga ukuthi basinikete iprogram lengayo batoveta ukuthi kuyini lebatokuyenda batokwenda nini njani ukuthi letinkinga leti abantwana bahlakametana nato etikolweni tisombululwa njani.
Kanzi ke kufundza nekufundisa nakuletinye tikolwa tendzawo kuthikametekile. Kungulapho litiko letemfundvo eMpumalanga liqinisekisile kutfola incwadzi lebuya kuleli khomishana lemalungelo elunfu lithi litawuphendvula masinyane.
Sokubukela mbukela isigaba sesibili sendaba leSwati la kwe-SABC la ubukele khona ukhethe kahle isakwamukela hlala nathi. Umbuso ophuthule ethuletawo enkantolo yesigodlo East London ecaleni lebadekati benzawo ecitha koma inyobeni tavern. Licala lophinze licale mhla ka-24 enyangeni yemphala lapho khona kulindeleke ukuthi bameli bebasolwa bente ethuletawo. Kuvuyakazi Ndevu nendoda yakhe siyakhangela babukene namacala ekuthengisela abantu tshwala labangaphansi kweminyaka nekubavumela kungena kulendzawo. Lethenzana intabosho emva ukuthi kushona abantu abangama-21 lokufaka ekhatsi bantfwana labangaphansi kweminyaka eScenery Park East London ngenyanga yenhlaba nyakenye. Inyoni ledle umhlanganiso kuleminyaka lesetulu isebungotini bekushabalala. I-Cape Parrot kulesimo njengoba kujutshwa hlahla kuphinze kunubuketwe imvelo. Kanti tinhlelo tekulwisana nekushabalala kwalenyoni tiyachubeka esifundzeni seMpumalanga lekunyoni lephinze lengenise imali.
Inyoni lenhle indlala nalesebungotini bekushabalala.
We are not working, no money for the children to go to school, and the transport here for children to go to school is expensive. But when we need this parrot, we get this money for transport and we buy food for them.
Labatfungu bakolosha lenyoni ngetembatho ngenhloso yokwatisa abantu ngebuhle bayo nekuthi ngahle ishabalale ngakho ke ayongiwe.
So if we could help them raise funds to conserve this bird, conserve the natural environment of this bird, to help them stop being trafficked, I suppose there is wildlife trafficking.
Baphindze baxoshela kade etiko ngesikhathi betama ukukoleka imali yokuyonga lenyoni. Sekusele 2000 letinyoni teluhlobo lweCape Parrot emahlathini.
We have a base here in Hogsback as well as in Limpopo, and at these bases we are working hard to try and ensure the longevity of this species.
Isatfolakala tindzaweni letifake ekhatsi Hogsback naKwaZulu Natal.
Batho bakuleli bavukise imbonelo yahlukene ngale mpahla ekuphehla gesi lebita gesi tamarandi lenikelwe nguhulumende weliva laseshayina kusita etikhungweni tesive nakude gesi. Itorin Vrekes Dr. Jose Antura Mahopo uqinisekisile ukuthi ishayina inikele ngempahla gesi lengamakhulu lasihlanu kulelive.
Induna yagesi Josianso Ramohopa ithi incwadi liqinisekisa kunikelwa kwempahla ukukicita gesi longo 552 ihlihlwe kuleli viki. Ithi lama units ayosita etikhungweni temphakathi uma kuhambe gesi ngenhloso yokumonga kanzi kuleto tikhungo kufaka ekhatsi imitholampilo dibhedlela kanye nasestation temaphoyisa.
So when I visited China and we agreed on these units, they already started packing them. All they were waiting was for the confirmation of the signing ceremony yesterday. As we were signing, they were already on the waters coming to South Africa.
I
think it will be great to obviously lower the impact of load shedding in the country.
Like I said, what's the catch? We trying to avoid situation where
we end up having, another Europeans, or so to say, other foreigners taking over our country, by exchanging generators.
I think it's a good thing. Why? Because those generators are going to be used for schools, hospitals.
Kule ngqungquthela ye-BRICS kubonakala inkampani letinyeni letivela kule China tifuna kwenda ibhizinisi kuleli, kepha letinye tikathathwa yi-BEE nendlela yokukhishwa kwemathenda.
If we stick strictly to the current bidding and the tendering system framework, it might be difficult to be very efficient. So I suggest further optimizing and streamlining the bidding and tendering procedures, especially in emergency and major power projects.
Kusenjalo lelive liyachubeka nekuba nenkinga yagezi njengoba ngalana Eskom uchubeka ngekuniketa igesi ngetigaba.
Sibutile kambukela ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi libnikele lethe emhlangano weBRICS itawufeza lokho lehlelo lekona yini uphendule kanjena.
Uhulumende wethu losiphethe nyalo kude la kwenta kahle kude la ngakudli kahle kuyibeke kahle badla konke badla kwasana nyalo silinze nje ukuthi basicompile le report basiyenge ukuthi ini yente kanjani ini yepi ayikho lento.
Hayi mina ngibona mehluko nje ezoyenza ngibona sazofana nje usizi sazoma nje kube njalo akukho mehluko nje ezoyenza ngisho umncu ngeke ubone nje kuyoba nje iphonsi uconsi nje olwandla.
Ngiyakubona kwami ngicabanga ukuthi angeke kube lula ukuthi yendele konke lenikele kona ngoba vele corruption ningakhula kule country lokho siyakwazi sikujwayele.
Hayi ngicumba mina nomsasazi xa bengayiphatha ngendlela elula le mali efunekayo efuneka beyenze izinto eziphucukile bangayidla abantu be-ANC kuyawuba kuhle.
Nange-COVID-19 amazwe angaphandle anikelela eNingizimu Afrika bangaphosisa imali engango-500 billion kodwa leyo mali yagcina ehla ngemlenze yadliwa yabathize ekhundleni likahulumeni. Nayo le mali enikelwe upresident wase-China nayo ngiyasola ukuthi nayo leyo mali izokahla ngemlenze.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ete yathweswa ukuthi phendulela ngawo. Itimake Telrand lehlile necathaniswa netimali Daglam Yamavu. Kutemidlalo umtimba lo wengabe nebholethi nyawo kuleli safa uthule isikhungo nesitawufundisa abaqeqeshi kulonke lelive. Inhloso ukukhulisa inani labaqeqeshi kulelive. Lesikhungo sethiwe ngamqeqeshi lowaphumelela indebe AFCON nga96 Clive Barker sitawuniketa izifundo ezahlukene lokufaka ekhansi kuhlatiya kudlala kwabadlali neqeqesha abadlali. Kusenjalo isafa imemetele ukuthi isitawukhona ukukhipha ama license eCAF eqeqesha esigaba A na B kwecala solo kwanga 2017.
Umtimbo lo ngamele lebholethi nyawo kuleli safa yatiwa ngokuniketa abaqeqeshi iqulu ukuthi bavumela ukuthi baqeqeshe lokufaka ekhathi KFC kanye na KFD kanti isafa iphinze yabona isikhala sokungabikho kwetifundo letibalulekile lokumele tinikete labo kumkhakha welibhola letinyawo yabe seyisungula isikolo sokufundwa letiqu tekuqeqesha.
It will be a culmination of what the president of the association, Dr. Jordan, had said or pronounced in the funeral of the late coach Clive Barker.
One component, like I said, would be traditional courses, and then the other one would be the SAFA Clive Barker Academy. So Clive Barker Academy will deal with all specialized courses that you can really think of.
Njengoba nga-2017 isafa yemisa ukuthi inikete letinye itiqu kubaqeqeshi abasakhula ngitizathu tekungalungiswa kwamaphepha kepha sayitawukhona kuniketa abaqeqeshi letiqu lokufaka ekhathi CAF A kanye na CAF B.
You remember that since 2017, we have not been able to have CAF B and CAF A license courses. On Sunday, CAF sent a message to bring us back into the convention.
Isafa isilesikolo sitawuqala kufundisa ngeminyaka lotako. Kanti iphinze yenda lubito ukuthi labanishisakalo bafake ticelo tekufundza.
Nathi longalinzela letiphuma imbitene kuligwalagwala FM ngensimbi yesithupha.
Sayifike emaphethelweni lengqungquthela elihlandla lelishumi nesihlanu yemave eBRICS
kanti isihlalo wayo mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa oyichaze njengaleyo leyibe impumelelo. Selibuyile kuleli leqembu lesithathu lebacima imililo lebang215 lelathiwa ngeMzansi 3 ngemva kokucima imililo eveni laseCanada.
Sithi beka lapho lomuhla sikhona ngalesibili enzaweni lefana kwesikhathi sifana kanti kusasa bakhona belangani bethu besindebele. Sale kahle.